Hello everybody, this is Dr. Maya Pidambaran, liver specialist. Welcome to our channel M&M Gastrocare. So this episode I'm going to discuss how to prevent liver disease. Liver is a very important organ in our body. It has very important, crucial role in maintaining the metabolism of various substances in our body. Apart from it also has detoxification function where it handles the toxins which are produced or which are taken into the body. So if you look at the types of problems that can affect our liver, it includes fatty liver. Fatty liver is a lifestyle disease which is most often caused by increased food intake, eating the wrong kind of food, no exercise, being overweight or obese. There are certain category of people who are at increased risk of fatty liver. That includes diabetes, hypertension, those who have increased cholesterol or dyslipidemic, those who are having a sedentary kind of job, those who are about 40 or 50 years. We find that fatty liver is very common now, and it is around 30 to 50% of population do have fatty liver. Not only that, it is also seen in children as well as adolescents. So, and also another thing to remember is it is even seen in people who have a normal weight, normal body weight. Around 10% of fatty liver is seen in people who have normal body weight, which we call as lean NASH. Now, how other liver problems which can affect the liver includes viral hepatitis B or C. Alcoholic liver disease is very serious. It can lead on to cirrhosis, liver cancer. Another thing is medicines or toxin-induced liver injury, including even the food supplements sometimes can harm the liver. So what are the preventive measures we can do to protect your liver? First and foremost one is maintaining the right weight. So what is an ideal weight for you? If you're 160 centimeters, that means your ideal weight would be 60 kilogram. Eating the right kind of food in the right quantity. So right kind of food which includes avoiding junks, avoiding high carbohydrate meals, avoiding high fat food, and eat only what is needed. Overeating can lead on to obesity and overweight. Now also remember to do exercise at least once in 5 days a week for at least 30 minutes. Alcohol is injurious to the liver, so try avoiding consumption of alcohol. Though there are safe levels of alcohol intake, I would advise you to avoid alcohol intake totally. Especially because if you have fatty liver, the fatty liver and alcohol has an additive effect. Also, it is important to know that certain viruses can harm the liver, which include hepatitis B and C. There are very effective vaccines which are available for hepatitis B. So if you're hepatitis B negative, take 3 doses of vaccination, which would prevent the possibility of you having a hepatitis B infection. So far, there is no vaccine for hepatitis C. The medicines we take, we should be careful. Even the simple paracetamol which we take can be harmful to the liver, especially if it is more than so many milligrams. So avoid unnecessary medicines, avoid unnecessary food supplements, try avoiding indigenous medicines which can all harm the liver in some way or the other. So prevention is always better than cure. It is your responsibility, it is your duty to protect your liver. So you must love your liver, protect your liver. This is what I wanted to convey in this video. If you like this video, please like our video, subscribe to our channel and share our video. Thank you.